A lake contains 250 trout, along with a variety of other fish. A marine biologist catches and releases a sample of 180 fish, of which 30 are trout. Assume the ratio of trout to total fish is the same in the sample and in the whole lake. How many fish are in the lake? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start with the sample. Out of 180 fish, 30 were trout. So the fraction that are trout is 30 over 180, which simplifies to 1 over 6. Now set up a proportion. The fraction of trout in the whole lake must equal the fraction in the sample. So 250 divided by the total number of fish equals 1 over 6. To solve, multiply both sides so the total equals 250 times 6. That gives 1500 fish in the lake. So the lake contains 1500 fish, which is answer choice B.